dear students. Today we are discuss the practical course. So let us start the practical study of the following insect pest with respect to mark of identification, nature of damage, economical importance and control measures. In this practical, we study the four insect pests, that is a jawar stem borer, red cotton bug, brinjal fruit borer and mango stem borer. We see these insect pests one by one. First of all, we see the jawar stem borer. The systematic position of this borer is it include in a phylum Arthropoda. Why it is included in a phylum Arthropoda? Because the jointed appendages are present. Then class Insecta, insect which possess the 3 pairs of legs and 2 pairs of wing. That's why it is included in a class Insecta. Order Lepidoptera means wings are present. Family Pyralidae, genus Chilo and species Zonilus. Then we will see the habit and habitat or their external characteristic feature. The jawar is most important food crop of our Maharashtra. It can be cultivated throughout the year. Then the jawar stem borer is distributed throughout the India and it is commonly known as a pink borer or spotted stalk borer. The identification mark of this borer is adult is medium in size with a 3 cm wingspan. The color of a body is a light brown with a numerous shining spot on margin. The hind wing are a white and peppery. Then the caterpillar of this borer is the dirty white in color with a dark brown head and many dark spots are present on the body. In this picture we clear that. Then we move towards the life cycle of this jawar stem borer. The host plant of this jawar stem borer is mainly jawar and maize or bajra can be recorded. Then the life cycle, it shows the holometabolous type of the development. Means in their life cycle 4 stages are included. First, egg, larva, pupa and adult. The adult female can lay 50 to 300 egg in cluster under surface of the leaves. The egg are white cream in color. The larva hatches within the 6 days and start feeding on the young leaves for a 2 to 3 days and bores into the shoot. Then larval stage is last for 3 to 4 weeks where it takes 4 to 5 molts. After that convert into the pupa. Then pupa is the inactive stage of this life cycle. It lasts for 7 to 10 days and then adult are emerged from the pupa and the adult and it live for 2 to 4 days. The pest takes about 4 generations in 1 year. Then we see the control measures or nature of damage. Firstly, we see the nature of damage. The newly hatched larva feed on the leaves and forms the hole in leaf lamina. They cut the walls leaves by entering into the leaf. This pest cut growing point result in the drying of a plant and finally death of the plant is occur. Then the larvae feeds on the tissue of a plant and form the tunnel. In this diagram we clear that how it damage to our crop. Whole plant is damaged by this jawar stem borer. And then we see the control measures, how it control. It can be controlled with the 3 methods: cultural method, chemical method and biological method. How it is controlled by cultural method? With the help of a hand picking or light trapping, or the collection of eggs for destruction, then burning of stubbles, then changing sowing and harvesting time, then crop rotation and growing resistance varieties. Then chemical control, the use of a 0.1% endosulfan and 0.05% lindane spray on a 50-day plant. The second time done on the same crop after 15 days with 1.0% lindane and 4% endosulfan. Then dusting of a 10% BHC powder at the rate of a 25 kg per hectare. Then how it controlled by biologically? The use of a Hymenopteran egg parasite, for example Trichogramma minutum, or Bracon Brevicornis. This is a larval parasite. With the help of this parasite and these two parasite, we can control the jawar stem borer. The next, second is a brinjal fruit borer. We see firstly the systematic position of this brinjal fruit borer. It again include in a phylum Arthropoda, class Insecta, order Lepidoptera, family Pyralidae, genus Lucinodes, and species Orvenalis. Then it is distributed all over the countries. The host plant of this brinjal fruit borer is a brinjal or solanaceous plants. The identification mark, the adult moth is 20 mm with a spread wing. The head and thorax are blackish brown in color. The wings are white with a small hairs. And the black and brown color spot are found on the hind wing. The caterpillar are pale white in color. Then we see the life cycle of this brinjal fruit borer. It is a holometabolous insect, means in their life cycle the 4 stages are included. The eggs are a small minute and it is laying under surface of the leaves. Then within 3 to 5 days the egg hatch into the larva. The larva is a voracious feeder. It develops the all body parts. The larva is a polypod type, and within the 12 to 15 days the larva develop into the pupa. Pupa is a inactive stage in their life cycle. Then within the 7 to 8 days the pupa is converted into the moth or adult. Then nature of damage. The larval stage is only destructive stage. The larva bore into the shoot, as a result shoot get dropped down, and it is also bore into the flowers and fruit. The attack fruit shows holes on them. At the initial stage of a crop, if the infestation occurs, there will be no fruiting at all. The larvae makes zigzag tunnel in fruit which is unfit for the human consumption. In this picture we clear that how it is infested to our fruit or a brinjal, making a zigzag tunnel into the fruit. Then control measure, how it is controlled. The infected fruit and shoot should be removed and destroy. The remove infested shoot by hand or remove and bury infested fruit light trap. Then the crop should be sprayed by the malathion 15 endosulfan and phospholone solution. The biological agency lies brachoid wasp is a parasite of the larvae of this pest. Use of this wasp for the control of this brinjal fruit borer. Then third one is a mango stem borer. It again include in a phylum Arthropoda, class Insecta, order Cerambycidae, genus Batocera, and species Rubens. Then we see the external characteristics or distribution. It is distributed in Maharashtra and UP. The host plant is a mango, fig, rubber, and jack. Identification mark. The adult is about 5 cm long and brownish yellow in color. It has an orange head spot on a thorax. The forewings are hard, long, and antennae and legs. The larvae are a large yellowish white in color with a black head. In this diagram we see the larvae. The head of larvae is a blackish in color and body is a yellowish white in color. The next we see the life cycle of this. The female beetle lays single egg under the loose bark or a crevices of the stem. After 40 to 70 days, the egg hatches out into the larvae, and the larvae penetrate into the stem and root and feed on the tissue from the tunnel. The larvae last for a 3 to 6 months, and then pupation takes place in the stem for a 3 to 6 months over the winter. The adult emerges during the monsoon season. Nature of damage. The larvae make a zigzag tunnel in bark, stem and trunk, result in the drying the stem and branches. They make holes in the severe cases of attack. The branches may be collapse and then tree may be die. Here we see how damage. Then control measure. The pupation of a larvae and pupa. The population of a larvae and pupa can be reduced by cutting and destroying the branches, by injecting the solution into the pores and these pores closed with the muds, by spray fluid into the borers holes like DDVP or endosulfan solution. Then next last one is a red cotton bug. It includes again a phylum Arthropoda, order Hemiptera. Hemiptera means the incomplete wings are developed. Then family Pyracoridae, genus Disturdus and species Singulatus. Distribution. It is commonly distributed in North India, Maharashtra, UP and Punjab. The host plant is a cotton and bhendi. Identification mark of this bug is a adult bug is about 12 to 15 mm in length. Female is a longer than male bug. It is a blood red in color except the eyes and scutellum. Anal antennae, these are a black in color. The presence of a black spot on each forewing. The series of a white band on a ventral side of the abdomen. Then their life cycle. It shows the hemimetabolous type of the development, means incomplete development. In their life cycle, 3 stages are included: egg, nymph and adult. And in the nymph, 5 instar are included. The mature female lay egg during the spring about 7 to 80 under the moist soil, fallen leaves or a crevices. The eggs are a spherical yellowish white in color and last for 7 days. The egg hatch into the small red color nymph resembles like the adult. The nymph takes 5 molt within the 49 to 89 days to reach adult stage. The nature of damage. Both nymphs and adults suck the cell sac from the leaves and tender shoot. They also feed on seeds and lower their oil content and percentage of the germination. They attack on a balls open badly and the lint is of a poor quality. The mature nymph transmit cotton staining fungi as they do so. Then control measures. Cotton field should be plugged to the exposed egg to sunlight or a hand picking and kill in a kerosinized water. Spraying of a malathion 0.05% is effective to control the pest. Spraying of a endosulfan 35% trap crop can use to control pests like the bhendi. Thank you.